Hi and welcome students. Today I'm going to be talking about job search skills, specifically after you've already acquired employment and what to do to actually keep your job. So let's go ahead and begin. So to keep your job, you're going to need some specific skills that are particular to the position that you have. So do you have the related experience that would enhance your ability to perform the job? Whenever you're talking about getting a promotion or thinking about getting a raise or anything like that, you have to always relate it back to the skills. Do you have the skills that maybe your manager has, or do you have the skills that your other coworkers have? Make sure that you are constantly trying to acquire the skills that they have. And the next thing is, are you willing to learn those skills? Do things like take classes to upgrade your performance. Okay, I teach at some community colleges here in California, and I constantly have students that are taking my classes who are working professionals that are coming back to get certifications and things like Microsoft Office, so that they can get the skills that they need for that promotion, or have a little bit more leverage when it comes to asking for a raise. Last, or third, I guess, will you take advice from others? Okay, so taking advice from others is something that some people have a lot of trouble with. You have to be able to take advice, you have to be able to deal with that constructive criticism so that you can make sure that you can actually improve your skills. And then finally, try to learn from your supervisors and managers. A lot of times, you're going to want to see what they do at the workplace and how they do it, right? You don't want to be asking them questions after questions all the time, but just make sure that you're studying them and focusing on them, so that you can actually perform the tasks that they perform. So that's a little bit about how to keep your job once you actually get it. So hopefully this video has helped you out, maybe made you think of something that you haven't thought of before. But anyway, make sure that you're always constantly learning new skills. Again, that's a goal of this channel. So if you want to learn some Microsoft Office, make sure you check out those playlists. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section. And thank you so much for watching and have a great rest of your day.